Hi, my name is Tami. I'm going to make what's called a bourbon revolver. So everyone knows Jeff really likes bourbon. Not quite my favorite of all the spirits, but I'm thinking this is probably going to be pretty good, so I'm going to taste it. All right, got the maker's mark. We're going to use 2 shots of this maker's mark. And I want everybody to notice, I have a little round, I shouldn't call it little, I have a big round ice cube in here to make the drink look pretty. All right, now I'm going to use this Mr. Black cold brew. For those of you that don't know what this is, it's similar to Kahlua, but I don't want to say better, newer. It's a newer form of Kahlua. So we're going to use this Mr. Black. All right, and this is going to be a half of a shot. So, or the way I pour, maybe a little bit more than half a shot. This drink then takes 2 dashes of orange bitters. Okay, so maybe that was a little bit more than 2. Looked like kind of like 2.5. And then we're going to stir that up with my nice big round ice cube, which I'm really proud of, by the way. And then I'm going to add my orange twist, which I'm not going to light on fire. A lot of the recipes call for it to be lit on fire. I'm just really not trusting myself to light it on fire. I might light everything on fire. I don't know. But, you know, if you're really brave, light it on fire. All right. So this is the drink. It's called a bourbon revolver. That's it. Really simple. Here it goes. Wow. You can definitely taste the bourbon, which I can't say I really dislike. I kind of like it. The coffee flavor comes through, which is nice because I love coffee. It has that nice undertone of orange. It's quite good. So thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe.